Hello and welcome to step 12. We open our file, step 12, and we start. In this step, we will create a view template and place the views on our sheet. So now what we'll do first, we'll hide our elevation symbols, select them, right mouse click and hide category. Now we change the scale in our view control bar to 1 to 100 and we set our detail level to fine. We want to save this graphic style, so we right click on our third level view, and select here create view template from view. We put in here view MPK. If we want, we can apply further changes here. We just click OK. Now we will apply our graphic style to two other views, so we select here level 4. With the right click, you click here on apply view template and select here view MPK. And we'll repeat this in our section 1. With the right mouse click, we click on apply view template. We change our selection to all and select here view MPK. Now we switch into the south view. Always remember that in Revit every view has extents which you can modify. This is necessary when you like to place views on your sheets. Select here in the view control bar show crop region. We select our boundaries, and with the blue triangles we crop our view. If we want to hide boundaries of our view, we select hide crop region in our view control bar. Now we also have the possibility to hide our grid and our elevations. So we select one level and use shortcut VH for hide the category. Repeat this with our grid lines, VH shortcut, and we also will hide our section. Now we are done with that. We also want to create a perspective. We switch in our side view. In our view tab, we select camera, set the camera, and here we have our first perspective. That looks really nice. We can modify the boundaries. And now we can place all of our floors and sections and perspectives on our sheet. So we select one of our sheets, select here sheet A0, and we place level 3 with room and dimension on our sheet. Now we also place section 1 and the perspective on our sheet. We see here a snapping line which helps us to align our views. Now we place our perspective. We can modify the size of our perspective. Click here size crop. Select scale locked proportions. Change the width to 300 millimeters. Revit automatically generates a tag, and we have the possibility to change that. We can select here title and no line. We can also use the guide grid to align our views. Click it. Now we can move our views. If we are satisfied with our sheet layout, we can delete our grid. We select it and delete it. Now we want to activate one of our views. If one of the views is activated, you have the possibility to make changements in that view. So we select our first grid line and also select all of our dimensions on the left side. Now we move our first grid line to the left side a little bit, and you see all the changements have been applied to our section and our 3D view and on our level 3 planner. We want to undo those changes and we deactivate our view. Now we want to make some changes in our title block. We zoom in. We change the owner to Autodesk. And the project name to Bumblebee. We click somewhere else and changes have been applied to all of our sheets. That's it for our step 12, and we'll be back for step 13.